All right, so now that we've learned about submarines, we're going to first write down the parts that I want you to think about for your submarine, and then we're gonna sketch one. So pause here, and you're gonna write down submarine, ballast tank, propeller, periscope, and windows. When you are done writing that down, you're gonna turn your paper sideways, and you're gonna have this guide to kind of help you shape your submarine. So start with a body. It can be an oval, it could be more of this kind of eye lemon shape, or it could be this more kind of triangular shape. But you're going to practice in your sketchbook first. And you don't have to, after you get the body down, you don't have to do this in order. You can design it how you want, as long as it has those things. So I'm going to do kind of the lemon shape. And I'm sketching because this is my sketchbook. And it does not have to be perfect. This is just me planning. And it's okay if this one isn't perfect because you're gonna have to draw it again. All right, so I think I will do my periscope next. And they're kind of thick because we're gonna cut them out if you're in class with me. So you can also mix and match it. So maybe I want to do the wide part like this, and then like that top part. Propellers and fins, you can also mix and match like the propeller and the fins. So maybe I'll do something like those fins, but like that propeller. Got windows and ballast tanks. Now, in real submarines, the ballast tanks are kind of around the submarine. They're actually not like exterior. What I mean by that is if like you had a cross section, like if this is the front of my sub, like here's my window and everything, the ballast tanks are actually usually like in the walls of the sub, like that. But for this purposes, so we were thinking about them, you're gonna create kind of like the cartoon one, an exterior ballast tank. And you don't have to use my shapes. These are just so that way you have a starting point for brainstorming. You could have different shaped windows, and you can have different shaped fins and everything else. All right, so once you're done with your practice one, I want you to draw a light coming out of it like that.